Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the Vernon Camachi job. Let's follow the rabbit trail. Let's see what we got. Haven't been back here in a few days. This is our customer that is very sick, and we wanted to help him and his family and get their job done as soon as possible so he can start enjoying it. We're doing some wash in right now, washing some sand in. How you doing, guys? All right, how you doing, Armando? Good, good. Look at this beautiful job. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Beautiful Sierra Old Town pavers. Got our chase pipe in for the hot tub going right here. Got our low voltage lights on. Got our gas fire pit. That's American made, not China. Not China. These beautiful tumbled caps are gonna go around the fire pit. And we got a nice pergola going up as well. So details, details, details. Very beautiful job. I mean, retaining wall. Notice they're arched. When I designed this one, I did it a concave face. But look at the detail, 6x9 border, you know, always cypress post, always. Look at this beefy post. That's a true 8x8. I mean, look at the size of that. It's a very, very large post right there. So, yep, this is like day 4. We started this one last week, guys, last week. So we'll pop the top on this, beautiful pergola, and this man's gonna be enjoying his dream backyard. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.